eastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Philadelphia, southeastern Pennsylvania until 12:15 a.m. At 11:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lumberville to near South Philadelphia, moving northeast 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, damaged roof, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Located affected include Philadelphia, Trenton, New Brunswick, Somerville, Somerset, Edison, Old Bridge, Ben Salem, East Brunswick, Bridgewater, South Brunswick, Fair, Brunswick, Ewing, Middlesex, Princeton, Bound Brook, Manville, Burlington, and Bristol. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spawn a tornado, going once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your purposeful move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. This severe thunderstorm may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Tuesday for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, and Somerset, and the following counties.